Finally, today is the day Lukas will be welding his diff. We've picked up the new welder to do the job, and yeah, I'm excited to see what happens. If you're excited to see what happens next, guys, make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying our content, and hit that like button to let YouTube know that this is a good video and it'll share it with more people. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, hit us up in the comment section below.
Okay guys, so we've managed to get all the bolts of the cover off. Now basically what is left to do is to lift the cover off, and that's it. That's how you gain your access into the inside of your differential, and this is what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna do each corner. We're gonna go get 4 nice welds all around, then we're gonna pop some bolts into it, and we're gonna just literally get it all sorted, get it all welded. Okay, so but before we do all that, you know, first of all we're gonna have to drain the oil. Okay guys, so we got oil out, so we got it all drained up here. We're gonna leave that on the side now, which is great. Now the next thing, you know, once we have the oil out from the differential, we have to clean it all up before we do any welding on it. So what I've got just a normal brake cleaner that should do a nice job on it. You know, you spray oil inside, you know, and then just get it all cleaned up.
Yeah. I'd say a bit of slide cut on the tooth.
Yeah, just the 4 corners at least, you know.
That's it.
I don't know if this is right, you know, but I'm after pulling my diff together, you know, and I've ended up, you know, with that many bolts left. It's actually worse than IKEA, because when you finish up with IKEA, you might have 3 or 4 bolts left, but here I have 100 of them left. So I don't know. Drop us a comment down below and tell us what you think. But I think I missed on a few things, but the things seem solid. So I think we are right. Done! Can you believe it? Like 365 days later, you know, the bed being done. And now this is the best part, right? Watch this, guys. Watch this, right? Oh shit, she's in gear. Brendan, pop it out of gear. What's that? Right? Watch. Hey!
Let's go!
Hey, let's go do some burnouts. What we've done, I jumped in the car, started the car, pull it in the force into the second, nice and slow, and now we're gonna run the bit wheels, leave the car on the axle stands, you know, just to get everything flowing, you know, inside your differential when it's welded. Once I have it all done, I'll leave it running for about 15 minutes. Once it's all done, I'm gonna drain the old oil out of the differential and then fill it with the new one, and that will be perfect. Then we should be ready to do some proper burnouts and go sideways to the track. So guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Our differential is officially welded. We got it all done, and because we are so excited about this, it took us me so long, even though I said it was going to take me about a day or two. Well, it took me more than that. You don't want to know how long it took me, and trust me, it was mad. But to celebrate all that, you know, the most important part right now is what to do. Evan, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Burnout! Right, let's jump into it.
Next time on Dub Monkey Garage. The GT86 gets new brakes, Evan gets angry, and we complete the look with black badges. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, make sure to go down and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our content. And if you would like to feature in our outro, please do send in your clips of you doing donuts, burnouts, whatever you want, through to our Facebook page or our Instagram. We'll see you on the next one.